Hello, I'm Jeanette Gomez, and today I'm going to talk to you about the letter A. How many sounds does the letter A make? If you guessed 5, you are correct. The 5 sounds are A, and ah. These two sounds sound very similar, but they are different. Ah, your mouth is open up not as wide as ah. You'll find out the difference and can see this difference a little bit later. Let me give you an example of the ah sound. A word that has the ah sound is apple. Apple. Let me give you an example of the A sound. A word that has the A sound is acorn. Another word that has the A sound but is in a different syllable type is the word grape. Grape. The third sound of A is An example of a word that has A making the sound is okra. Okra. The next sound, the fourth sound, ah. An example of the word that has A making the ah sound is watch. Ah, watch. Another word that makes the ah sound is squash. Squash. And our last sound, ah, a word that makes that sound is ball. Ball. Put your hands on the side of your mouth and let's say watch again and pay particular close attention to how wide you're opening your mouth with the letter A while you make the ah sound. Watch. Watch. Now let's say the word ball and pay particular close attention to how wide you open your mouth when you say the ah sound. Ball. Ball. When you put your hands on the side of your mouth, you can feel that you open your mouth longer and wider with ah as in ball. Stay tuned because in our next episode, we're going to talk about why A is making the ah sound as in apple.